Good morning, comrades. Mzugisi Ronyuza, Unopala, the provincial secretary of Gauteng. Comrades, we are approaching the 2026 local government elections. It's one of those terrains of struggle where we contest power. Remember that, comrades, we're a party of power. We are here to take power, state power, to influence the politics of this country. In doing so, as a revolutionary organization, commanders, kulindelwe the maximum discipline from all of us, starting from the lower structures of the organizations up until the upper structures. But in Gauteng, we're observing one thing, like comrade. There's a high level of ill discipline. And we don't know, when the elections are coming all the time, you'll find maximum ill discipline that happens at different levels. And I don't think it will be fair for any person who is leading at any level to keep quiet about this. From the lower structures up until the upper structures, we've got a role to play in promoting and defending the brand MK Party. Eyokuqala, comrades, we have been told on several occasions, ngokubhala, voice note in different levels, that we are not appointing structures. We are not launching structures. Initially, there was a communications or a communique about launching of structures. That was very clear who is responsible for launching of structures, who is responsible for approving of structures, especially mainly the VT-based branches, right? The guide was there, communication was there and everything. But the national instruction said, stop everything. Disciplined comrades stopped everything and said, we'll wait for the next order. We are aware of the challenges of stopping the launches, comrades. We raised that with the national, but we know that the national cannot mislead us and say that we should stop without any reason. As disciplined comrades, we all stopped and waited for the next order from national. But there are individual comrades who are running around launching structures, identifying leaders, convening meetings. It's very dangerous for the organization not to have discipline and have individuals who undermine every person who is leading the organization. We need to identify such comrades and isolate them, because we don't know that they're genuine or they are used by the third force, comrades. Akunabantu who can continuously undermine the leaders in the structure. It's a very serious problem. We're told not to launch structures. And then they go outside the conference organization. They don't care. They don't meet with any. They just sit down and do things the way they want. We are not launching structures, comrades. And any comrade who's launching a structure against the instruction of the organization, actions are going to be taken, comrades. We are going to take action as a structure, whether at the regional level, whether at the provincial level, whether at national level. I think something must give. We cannot afford to have comrades when we are busy trying to fight and engage the opposition outside and engage the enemies of Umkhonto outside. We've got comrades who are defocusing us within the organization. It's wrong. It's wrong. We don't know what informs that, but we'll find a way one day to check what's happening. There is an element again that is happening where comrades are convening programs ngenkani, outside the world leadership, outside regional leadership, outside provincial leadership. Bazenza ngenkani. In doing that, they isolated the regional, the organizers at all levels, sub-regional or zonal or provincial. They isolated the organizing collectives of the structures that are responsible for programs. They isolate the detachments continuously. And central to that, there is a use and a flashing of imali. Any person would go out and run a program without talking to anyone. I'm putting these comrades to all of us that we've got the structures. Regional detachments are very central in running of programs, Kuma region, comrades. Regional detachments are very central in signing off regional programs. Sub-regional leaderships are very central in signing off sub-regional programs and inform upper structures. Once you wake up, namhlanje, so 20,000, you want to go and run a program. It's wrong, comrades. Or thole ukuthi ujwayele umuntu kwi-province when uzoyenza because ujwayele abantu bani kwi-national leadership or kwi-provincial leadership. That is very wrong. Or nama-comrade wakho eningasatshwa nazi ukuthi nenza izinto ngenkani ngoba nisatshwa. We are killing the organization. And another thing that I want to say, comrade, you'll never, ever, ever, ever have comrades who are genuine about the organization. Have comrades that says they are genuine about the organization, but would attack their leaders, the leaders of that organization, be it at a ward level, zonal level, or sub-regional level, or provincial or national. People will just go in the public domain and attack the leaders of the organization continuously. They've never ever attacked the opposition. They've never ever identified the problems as in opposition and everything continuously. They don't even question the decisions that are taken by the organization. They are painting the leaders bad, painting the leaders painting the leaders as wrong people and everything continuously in the public domain. If you've got a problem with the leader, comrade, or they are doing wrong things, working for oppositions and all those things, the organization has got the democratic approach of addressing that. You write to the upper structure, or you request a meeting with the upper structures or any other appointed leader and raise your concerns there so that they're taken up. If they are not taken up, you go to the upper structure than the one that you reported to. This thing of us forever, comrades, presenting ourselves as the enemy within the organization, it's destroying our efforts to take the state. It destroys the morale that comrades have. It destroys the inner discipline in your organization. It denudes the revolutionary character of the organization called Umkhonto Wesizwe. Revolutionary organizations are seen about the way they conduct themselves politically, ideologically, and organizationally. It cannot be that all the time comrades comrades in the organization. Or maybe this is deliberate to defocus the leaders of Umkhonto Wesizwe, not to do their work. I don't know. An instruction might be from above, comrade. We raise concerns, Tina Lasikona. We raise concerns, but we don't stop the work of the organization. If good to this, you must not do. I want to talk about the provincial detachment, comrades. 100% of everything that we have been requested to do as an organization, we do, we implement. But when we feel that we don't want or we don't like, we raise concerns with the upper structures. We don't stop the organization. We write and raise concern. We call the leaders. Simple as that. But in our organization, just look at what the national leadership are invited to a program, or the provincial leaders are invited to the program. There is a way of running the organization, comrade. And if you can check, the larger part of how organizations are run is the same in all the organizations all over the world. Central, there is discipline, there is protocol, there is observing of the upper instruction to lower structures. There is democratic centralism in others. That awuyifundiswa ikhona endlini, ikhona ekhaya, ikhona esontweni, ikhona even nasestrateni. But it cannot be that abantu abayazi. Everybody does not understand that, not unless there is something beyond that. Comrades, let's observe discipline in the organization at all times. We are assisting the enemy in weakening the organization or in destroying the organization. And it's a fact in all the organization. Umani menap lapha ni 100. Ngezikhipha organization 100. Not all of you have got good intentions about that organization. There might be that one bad apple or those 3 bad apples that are there to fab and mess everything. Identify such apples and isolate them so that the organization can move. We cannot be held ransom. Whether the apple is at the provincial detachment level or at the regional detachment level or zonal or sub-regional, identify those apples, comrade, so that they are isolated from the organization and reported to the proper structures. Comrades, our discipline must be maximum at all times. Stop launching structures. Stop launching structures up until we are told what to do. Comrades have went to a poisons. We're told in poisons the process of appointing the structures, the process of that interim arrangement that was done must stop immediately. But comrades have not stopped. They are abusing that and exploiting it for their own personal interests. On our return from poisons, we're told not to proceed with the process as a poisons. But comrades are still meeting, calling themselves structures, forgetting that they were appointed just for an administrative process for that particular period. Comrades, let us build this organization. That's where we belong. That's the only hope for us, for some of us. We don't have other options, comrades. Thank you very much. Amandla.